Hi, everyone. This is a story about how I decided to test whether I could grow edible plants at home during the winter.
Challenge accepted. To start with, I bought these two small greenhouses. Their big advantage is that they come with built-in lights.
This is really important because in winter, plants definitely won't get enough light and warmth. I also bought rockwool cubes with holes, sized perfectly for my greenhouses.
I placed one seed into each rockwool hole and watered them well. Rockwool holds moisture really well, which makes it perfect for seeds.
On top of that, the rockwool will protect the roots, and there's no need to remove the plant later. It'll grow perfectly fine in it.
I planted a few different types of plants, and there will be separate videos about each of them. Anyone who grows plants knows how much work it is, especially in the early stages. But this stage is also really beautiful. Sometimes I come home from work and see new leaves that have grown by an inch in just one day. Another time, I left them uncovered for a whole day for the first time, and by the evening they had dried out, or maybe even frozen, I'm not sure yet. But I watered them, covered them again, and by morning they were back to life. Not long ago, everyone used to grow their own food. But nowadays, many people have no idea how to do it and just eat processed foods. That's the main idea of my project, to learn how to grow vegetables at home.